Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S Limited 4xe in Baltic Gray. With adaptive cruise control, rough road cruise control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, intersection collision assist system, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, drive mode selector, wireless charging pad, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 400-volt electric motor, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocje.com. Stock number 10932A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.